ये आज हमारे लिए तो फाइनल डे है, ये एक प्राउड मोमेंट है, नॉट ओनली फॉर अस, फॉर द फुल नेशन. इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट. And I would like to say the hard work put in by the BRO team for the last BRO and all contractors, our engineers, our consultants put in during the last 10 years has come to the final stage. So tomorrow this tunnel is going to be opened by the Honorable Prime Minister. Within this tunnel there are 18 egress tunnel ET entrances, where after every 500 meter there is an opening. Suppose in case of any emergency fire incident happens, the first thing is how the people trapped inside has to be escaped. For that there is an entry at every 500 meter. That entrance is also clearly marked. There is a wayfinder. One can easily find out where is the egress tunnel. One can escape. And nextly, how we will extinguish the fire. We have got fire hydrants after every 75 meter. With that actually there is water flowing with pressure, and anybody can take the pressure pump out and extinguish the fire. Apart from that, if there is say very hot air inside the tunnel after fire, then there are dampers fixed after every 50 meters that will be automatically opened, and the hot air will be sucked through the exhaust fan through the ventilation fan. So that arrangement is also there. And other salient features inside the tunnels are there are CCTV cameras after every 60 meter. Then we have got telephone set connection every 150 meter. Then we have got broadcasting system inside the tunnel. So these are all the latest technologies, latest arrangements which are available within this tunnel.
वो हमारा स्ट्राबैग अफगान जॉइंट वेंचर ने ये काम लिया, एंड ये काम शुरू से हमको मालूम था वो नॉर्थ पोर्टल में 6 महीने किसी खाली काम कर सकता है, एंड साउथ पोर्टल से खाली 9 से 10 महीने तक काम कर सकता है. बट वो सेरिनल्ला फॉल्ट जोन करके वो नल्ला था अंदर, वो खाली 300 मीटर करके हमको मालूम पड़ा. हम काम शुरू करके अच्छा तरीका से वो प्रोग्रेस हुआ था. देन सडनली वो सेरिनल्ला फॉल्ट जोन का पहले ही सेरिनल्ला का पानी गिरने के लिए चालू हो गया. 1 सेकंड का मोर देन 150 लीटर्स पर सेकंड वो ऐसा पानी आने के लिए शुरू हो गया. एंड उसके बाद वी हैड अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम ऑन द वाटर इंग्रेस फॉर नियरली 700 मीटर्स ऑफ वी कॉल इट अ सेरिनल्ला फॉल्ट जोन. सो उसका वजह से काम बहुत रुका, एंड बहुत कोशिश करके इंटरनेशनल कंसल्टेंट्स, डोमेस्टिक कंसल्टेंट्स सब मिलवा के BRO के साथ उसका सोल्यूशन निकाला. एंड वो सोल्यूशन निकाल के वजह वो टाइम बहुत निकल गया उसके से. So we went about in the process learning and strengthening the whole thing. And once Serenella fault zone is completed, we went about on the whole process very fast, I must say. See, overall, I must say this project is of very great importance, both from the national defense angle and also from the international arena, because this is the longest tunnel at this altitude in the world. So from that angle, it's of great importance. And it is an all-weather connectivity, as we know, to the sensitive areas of Leh and Ladakh. So I would put it, but for the Serenella fault zone, Himalayan territories rock strata is very much known that it's a loose strata, all those kind of things is known. We are prepared for that. But Serenella, we are not prepared to the extent it was required. So it went well ultimately. हम तो appropriate protection क्या क्या चाहिए सब दे दिया है इसका अंदर स्पेशली वो वाटर इंग्रेस का ही मेन है. वो वाटर इंग्रेस का रेगुलरली एक पाइपिंग रूफ ऐसा करता है, इधर 3-4 पाइपिंग रूफ तक करके स्ट्रेंथन किया है. सो लॉन्ग टर्म स्टेबिलिटी के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए.